If he doesn't respond, then I will just start. Okay, put yourself on mute, Mr. Walker, okay, until I call your matter. All right. Going on. All right. All right, we're ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Eric Walker, are you at work? Okay, unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Eric Walker. This is ticket number U620172221. One count receiving and admitting another for the act of prostitution. Also calling case number SP11689. Nope, that's not on the docket. I apologize. All right. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, unmute yourself and please state your name for the record.
Eric Walker.
Your Honor, Mr. Walker scheduled for pretrial. There's been an offer. He wishes to avail himself of it.
Is that right, Mr. Walker?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Walker, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 9th of 2021. Were you in the area of Park Drive and Harper Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And at that location, did you act in a disorderly fashion?
Yes.
Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of disorderly conduct in this particular matter. Sir, there are a few things that you need to do in order to get this matter to have it remain as disorderly conduct. One of the things is to have an HIV STI test. I don't have to know the results, but I have to know that you took the test. You also have to do 20 hours of community service. And you have to attend, it says prostitution awareness, but it's called the morality class. You have to attend that as well. I'm going to give you a $300 fine.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to give you 90 days to be able to complete all these tasks. So I'm going to have you come back on June 29th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Sir, I'm going to give you a phone. Huh?
June 29th, 8:30?
Yes, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. I need you to take down a number for me, sir, so that you can call and make sure that you can get all this information. Are you ready to take down the number?
Yeah. I got it.
313
313
965
965
3414.
3414. Okay. June
Call
29th.
them and tell them that you need to take care of all of this. They'll give you directions. So they'll just tell you like where you can take the class at, community service,
All right.
make sure you have that all checked in and everything. So you get everything accomplished by that date. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, this does conclude this hearing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah. Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. If you can put yourself on mute, please, till I call your case. Let me take care of Officer Goins. Officer Goins, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Anthony Williams. This is Z ticket H01248. One count disorderly conduct. Also ticket 124378151. One count of license improper. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please. Attorney Triplett. I know you didn't talk. He's not on.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
I know. I'm sorry. He's not on.
Okay, Regina Triplett on behalf of Mr. Williams, Your Honor.
All right. And officer, can you state your name for the record?
Sergeant Tony Goins, Detroit Police Department.
All right. The time is now 10:02 a.m. Mr. Williams has not appeared for court at this point in time, and so the court is going to issue a show cause in this matter. Thank you, Mr. Williams. Thank you, Officer Goins, and you be safe out there. All right. All right. Let's see what my trials for today. Chelsea Washington.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Chelsea Washington. This is ticket number P10822725. Count 1, accident, stop, street, or intersection, failed to stop. Count 2, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Regina Triplett, P number 69160 on behalf of Chelsea Washington. Ms. Washington, please state your name for the record.
Chelsea Washington.
Your Honor, today is the day and time scheduled for trial. Officer Yvette Hudson has not reported. At this time, we'd ask that the matters be dismissed.
All right. The time is now 10:04 a.m. and Officer Hudson has not appeared online. I know she's not in the courtroom either at this point in time, so the court is going to grant your request and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Washington, that means that they can refile this matter if they want to, but as of today, you're all set. This matter has been dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay? Mr. Juan Wright, did I see him on here? I thought I did. He was on here at one point, wasn't he? Why he go back into the breakout room? All right. Kerwin Wilson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna call your matter. Now calling the matters of the people versus Kerwin Wilson. This is ticket number P1215698. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Kerwin Wilson. Mr. Wilson, state your name for the record.
Kerwin Wilson.
Mr. Wright, just don't come in talking. I had you come out and then you went back into the room. I'm sorry, Mr. Wilson. Say your name for the record.
Kerwin Wilson. That's all right, ma'am.
All right.
Your Honor,
It's a pre today.
yeah, there is recommendations for dismissal. We're asking the court to adopt.
All right, at this
Yeah.
time, I do have in front of me the recommendation for a dismissal of this matter without prejudice, sir, because you ended up paying one of the tickets. So you are all set today. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. Okay, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a good day, sir.
Y'all have a blessed one too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
So I can leave?
Yes, you can. You can leave, Mr. Wilson. All right. Mr. Juan Wright?
Yes.
Okay, there we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Juan Wright. This is ticket number P865392. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, improper plates. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina, Triple P number 69160 on behalf of Juan Wright. Mr. Wright, please state your name for the record.
Juan Monroe Wright.
Your Honor, per the recommendation of the people, there's a dismissal. We're asking the court to adopt the dismissal.
At this time, no officer has appeared in this particular matter. It is now 10:07 a.m. So the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. What that means, sir, is that they can refile this if they would like to. But as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right, y'all have a blessed one.
Thank you. Mr. Ward, please stop walking. All right, I'm gonna call. Ooh, Lord. All right. Can you get in a little bit of light too? We're gonna have to see your face and I'm gonna need you to unmute for court.
Yeah, you ready for me?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. All right, you ready? Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Christopher Ward. This is ticket number 316341. One count, no insurance, never acquired. And count 2, no operator's license on person. Ticket number P793419. One count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number X3575305. Count 1, failure to report accident. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Count 3, furnish false forged information to a police officer. Also calling ticket number P669709. One count, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record on arraignment on the bench warrant.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Christopher Ward, my P number 69160. Mr. Ward, please state your name for the record.
Christopher Brett Ward Jr.
Your Honor, at this time, we move to set aside the bench warrant.
This time, the court will set aside the bench warrant and enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How do you want to proceed?
Your Honor, there are several matters before this court, city, as well as I think most of them are state matters. Because of that, Your Honor, we are asking the court to set this matter for a bench trial.
Okay. You want all the matters set for a bench trial?
All the matters set for a bench trial.
All right. All right. Mr. Ward, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Ward, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts in this particular matter. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
I mean, yes, if I can't just get it dismissed, yeah.
You cannot just get it dismissed today. I'm gonna tell you about the civil infractions you owe after this too, okay? All right, so I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of August 19th, 2022. That's gonna be via Zoom. The same way you Zoomed in today. I know you're a master of it now because it took you a moment to get it, but you got it now. And so we're gonna do that at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on each one of these tickets, so you don't have to come up with any additional money or whatever the bond is. Did you have to post bond, put a bond to get these on the for today's hearing?
Yeah, I had to post a bond.
Okay, so the bond will remain in place, until this matter is concluded. Okay.
And
All
I
right.
had one more question. Will I still be able to get my license back in the meantime?
I mean, you may be able to apply for it.
Because there was one ticket on there that was just holding me up for my license.
What ticket was that?
I can give you the ticket number.
Okay.
Okay.
Also, in the interim, sir, you have 10 outstanding civil infractions that you need to pay for.
Yeah, I know. I just went up to 36th District Court and I got all the money put together to pay off. She said it's only $800, but she said it's only one ticket that's holding me up from
It may
right
be
here.
one ticket holding you up, but you owe more than $800 according to what I have in front of me.
Oh no, I paid a lot of it off. I don't know if it's
Okay, it may not have caught up in the system yet.
right. Yeah.
Okay. All right, Mr. Ward. Okay, I see.
Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Uh, the ticket number that was holding me off, they said was SX35
7-5.
753053.
Yeah. That's the one that has the, I can't make any offers on that one because that's the one where they allege that you failed to report an accident and that you furnished forged or fake information to the police officers. So on some of this stuff, I can make my own offer, but some of it I cannot.
So that's why I don't say anything as far as what happened, Mr. Ward.
Mhm.
The best thing to do at this point is to set the matter for a bench trial. And then we'll have a state prosecutor. We'll be able to deal with those other 5 matters. Because you
Right.
had, as we discussed, you had an offer for the city for 2 matters, but the 5 other have to be scheduled for a bench trial or should be scheduled for a bench trial.
Okay.
Okay.
So I just have to wait till August to get my license back.
That's
Yeah,
right.
these tickets, Your Honor, that particular ticket that he's referring to, what
Mhm.
date? What's the date of that ticket?
The date of that ticket is July the 28th of 2019. Mhm. So, Mr.
'Cause I
Ward, I
honestly,
understand you want your license back. I understand, but when we wait to handle all of our matters, then we have to
because I
be able to.
honestly,
Mhm.
I honestly was supposed to be moving out to California. I had a job out there, and
Well, this is
my
all via
license.
Zoom.
Huh?
This is via Zoom. I said all the hearings are via Zoom.
Yeah, but I needed my license, for the job.
I know.
And when I went
In
down there,
2017 and 2019, why didn't you come handle these matters?
I was actually living in Florida for the last couple of years. I just moved back here. I've been back here for the past like 2 months now, and I went up there to try to get, my license, and found out that all this was still on my record. So I was just trying to
Because
take care.
it doesn't go away, Mr. Ward. Just because you want it to go away when you leave the state, that doesn't mean it's gonna go away. It's gonna stay there until you take care of it. And I can appreciate
And
and
that's what I'm
understand.
trying to do now. But when I went up there, she said that all this stuff was old, that most of the tickets was just gonna get dropped. So
So we'll have to see. You got to be patient now. When you waited for 3-4 years, you got to wait a couple of more months. See when we can do with it.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So we'll see you back on August the 19th, 2022 via Zoom to handle these matters that remain here. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. All right. Bye-bye. Attorney Quinn, I believe that Mr. Gillis just entered the courtroom. So if you would like to talk to him in a breakout room, we can have you talk to him.
Yeah, he's going to zoom in, Your Honor.
Okay, cool.
Okay. And Judge,
Your Honor, I just say the word.
I have a date of arraignment 9/29.
Zealous help, so I don't know if Mr. Quinn wants to go see what he wants.
Okay. Client. You can go, your client is looking for help, Mr. Attorney Quinn.
I'm not sure if he's logged in. I just needed.
He is logged in.
Okay, so he's looking for help. He said, I guess, send me to the breakout room. I'm not sure. I wanted to talk to Mr. Geller.
We will put you in there with him after, but just go talk to him and let him know what's happening.
Yeah.
I'll put you in the breakout room with him.
I'll stand in, John. No worries. I don't know, Judge. I think it was just to get a new date. They might have gotten their date and moved on. I know, we've been here for a little bit.
Hi, John.
Hey, Miss Sandy, how you doing today?
I'm well, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good, thank you.
Good. I think Mr. Quinn wants to go into a breakout room with you.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, breakout room number 1.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Quinn, do you know how to join breakout room number 1?
I didn't get any, prompt. I didn't get a prompt to enter the breakout room. So.
For a 2-year felony and fleeing forgery, 2-year felonies. I'm sorry.
Did y'all come to some type of discussion about this case?
We did, Your Honor, and I actually just sent Attorney Quinn some additional discovery
Okay.
that I was able to find, and I think he would like some additional time to review that information with his client.
Correct.
Let me bring your client out then.
4692. 4692? Yeah. I think when you think you were the attorney, the other person dropped off. Okay, that's fine. What I'd like to do is try to work something out with the prosecutor to see if there's some way to resolve this, short of a trial, which is why.
We go online, Mr. Quinn, you're gonna have to lower whatever that is down.
Your Honor, I do see an email that there was just nothing attached asking for an.
I hear my former colleague, Ryan Lukeski over there. All right.
Yeah.
All right. I see Miss Sandy is ready as well. Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Walter Zealous. This is ticket number P1220252. One count leave scene of accident, personal injury. Also calling Z ticket 808373. This is one count of operating while visibly impaired. This is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with the city attorney, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Gillis, P79500 on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit.
Good morning, Judge. Christopher Quinn, P69483, appearing on behalf of Mr. Zealous, who's also appearing via Zoom today.
And Mr. Zealous, can you state your name for the record, please?
Walter Zealous, ma'am.
Thank you so much. All right, how are we proceeding today?
Judge, I would need additional date. I was just in receipt of some additional discovery from the prosecutor, and I need to go over that with my client.
Okay. How much time do you need to go over that with your client, Mr. Quinn?
I guess 30 days.
Is that going to be enough time?
Yeah, it should be. I believe so.
Okay. All right. So that will put us at April the 29th. Let me check with my clerk. Miss Mary.
I'll be out of town then to the
What day
I
you
need
come back?
something May 5th.
May
Or,
5th.
yeah. So the following week would be good.
Can you check my availability for May 9th through the 13th, Miss Mary, and see if I have anything open for a pretrial for Mr. Quinn?
What day, Your Honor?
The week of May 9th. So any one of those days that week. Now, in the interim, Mr. Zealous, he has some additional information that he received from the city attorney that he wants to share with you and talk about and go over before y'all make any decisions. So he just wants to be able to go over that with you. And so before we proceed forward, I'm going to do a final pretrial on whatever date I'm able to do, so that way he can discuss them with you. Okay, Mr. Zealous? Okay.
May 10th, Your Honor.
Okay, May 10th at 8:30 a.m. Check your calendar, Mr. Quinn.
Yeah, that works. That works.
All right, May 10th, Mr. Zealous, May 10th at 8:30 a.m. The same way you zoomed in today. He's going to share some additional with you. Your bond is going to continue at $0 personal. Okay, Mr. Zealous?
What time?
At 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I have it.
Okay, and your bonds continue $0 personal. Zoom in the same way, same Zoom number and everything. You're all set for today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right. We